So today we'll start with numericals on AC distribution, right? Just go through the numerical, right? It says a single phase 2 wire feeder which is 1200 meter long supplies a load of 50 ampere at 0.8 power factor, 40 ampere at 0.6 power factor and 60 ampere at 0.707 power factor, lagging at distances of 500, 1000 and 1200 meters. Okay. So accordingly I have drawn the figure, right? Now it is said 50 amperes 0.8 power factor at 500 meter. So it's 50 ampere 0.8 power factor 500 meter from point A. Then 40 ampere 0.6 power factor at 1000 meter. So 40 ampere 0.6 power factor at 1000 meter from point A. Earlier I had taken 500, now it's 500, it's 1000. Okay. Next is 60 ampere at 0.707 power factor. So this is 60 ampere at 0.707 power factor. So we have already done or covered 1000 meters. Last is 200. So it is 200 meters, right? Now it is said that resistance and inductance, okay, it means R plus JXL. Okay, this R is given and XL is given, okay, to be 0.01 and 0.05 ohms respectively. Now if the voltage at the far end of the feeder, right, so see the far end, this is the feeder, okay, voltage at the far end, see this AB is your feeder. It is said voltage at the far end, it means VB voltage is given, okay, to be 220 volt. Your work is to calculate the voltage at the sending end. It means I am supposed to find VA, right? So once again for the reference I have taken the figure, right? So see, resistance is given to be 0.01 ohms per 100 meter and inductance is 0.05 ohms per 100 meter. Okay, far end voltage VB is given to be 220 volts and VA is to be found out with the phase angle. So this is the given data. We'll proceed now, right? Now see, you are asked to find this voltage VA. Okay, you are asked to find VA. So VA is what? This voltage, voltage drop across this, it means VAC plus voltage drop on at C point. So VAC plus VC would give me my VA, right? But VC I don't know. So similarly VC I have to find. So VC would be VCD, okay, plus VD. Okay, so this is my equation 2. Next VD again I don't know. So to find VD, what I'll do, I have to find VD. So it is again voltage drop VD B, okay, up till here plus VB. Okay, this is my equation 1. Okay, now I have to solve equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so starting with solving equation 1. So VD I want VDB plus VB, right? So VD I want VDB plus VB. Okay, VB is already given to be 220 volts. My unknown is VDB. Okay, now VDB is what? According to Ohm's law, I into Z, impedance into current. Okay, now if you go back to the figure, this current of 60 ampere is the same current which is flowing through section DB. Okay, so first what I'll do, see IDP is equal to IB. Okay, it is given 60 amperes at 0.707 power factor lagging. So cos phi is given to be 0.707, right? So I calculate sin phi and that I put here, right? Else you can also take IB as 60 at an angle minus 45, because see cos phi is given to be 0.707, so phi is equal to cos inverse of 0.707, which turns out to be 45. Okay, so with this I calculate IDB, right? Next, VBD is what? IDB into ZDB. Right, so IDB I have already calculated. My work is to find ZDB, which is my impedance, right? See, VDB equals to IDB, this same 42.42 minus J 42.42, that I have substituted. So I have to calculate what now? VDB, okay, which is IDB into ZDB. ZDB, how I calculate? It is given 0.01 plus J 0.05 ohm per 100 kilometers, right, per 100 kilometers. Now if you go back, right, it is, see, from here to here it is 100 kilometers, from here to here it is 200. So for this, it is impedance given is 0.01 plus J 0.05, right? But now I want to calculate it for 200 meters. So what I have done, that much per 100 I have taken into 200 I have taken, okay, for 200 meters. So I am left out with VDB equal to 0.102. Okay, sorry, this is my ZDB, not VDB, it is my ZDB. Okay, 0.102 at an angle 78.69. okay, now I want to calculate VDB. Okay, so using same IDB and ZDB, I'll calculate VDB with this formula, and I get, when I solve IDB into ZDB, I get this, okay, which is 5.09 plus J 3.39 amperes. Okay, next is VDB. I have calculated VB I know, right? So I'll calculate VD. Okay, VB is 220 at an angle 0, and this is my VDB. So I calculate VD to be 225.09 plus J 3.39 volts. Okay, so if I come back here, I have done with my first equation. Okay, now we will go with this I have calculated. Now I'll calculate VC. Okay, so similar analysis, VCD plus VD I'll do. Okay, see, VC is what? VCD plus VD. VD I have already calculated here. My work is to carry out VCD. Okay, now VCD is what? ICD into ZCD. ZCD calculation should not be a problem. Okay, because it would be same 0.01 plus J 0.05. This time it is 500. Okay, if you see the diagram, the distance between C and D is 500 meters. So accordingly you have to modify ZCD. Okay, now ICD is what? IDB plus ID. See, ICD, I'll go back here. ICD is the current flowing in this section. So this section current ICD comes up till this node D and gets branched into 40 amperes and 60 amperes. Okay, so what I have done, ICD is IDB plus ID. Okay, ID is given 40 at an angle of 40 at 0.6 power factor lag. It means 40 at an angle of minus 53.13. Okay, so this is my ID, and this is ICD, right? What I do? ID this plus this I do, so that I get ICD. Okay, so ICD I am left out with 66.42 minus 74.42 joules, J, amperes. Okay, it is amperes here, right? Now I have to calculate VCD, correct? You go back to equation 2, VC. To calculate VC I need VCD. Okay, so VCD is what? ICD into ZCD. So I said 0.01 plus J 0.05 into 500 meters per 100 meter. So I am left out with VCD as 21.926 plus 12.084. Okay, 12.84 J. This is my VCD. So my VC is what? VD plus VCD. So the answer is 247 plus 247.016 plus 16.274 J. Okay, when you work out VD plus VCD. Okay, so if you see your equations 1 and 2, we have calculated VD, we calculated VC. Now we are left out with calculation of VA, which is the question asked, right? So for that, to get this expression, to solve this, I already have VC with me. I need VAC. Okay, so VAC again similar way, what will do? IAC into ZAC. Okay, right? So VAC is what? IAC into ZAC. So IAC, okay, IAC, you see, right? IAC, see, if you come back here, okay, see, IAC is this branch current. If I consider this as main current I, okay, this would be coming to this node and getting branched. So I can write it as I1, okay, plus I2, which is 40 amperes at 0.6 power factor lagging, and I3, which is 60 ampere at 0.707 power factor lagging. Okay, so IAC, see, IAC is I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, sorry, this is not correct. Okay, so you consider this. So when you work out, you get 106.42. Okay, this is my IAC, right? So my left out thing is VAC, which is IAC into ZAC. Okay, into ZAC. Now ZAC I got how? It is 0.01 plus 0.05 into 500 by 100. Okay, I get ZAC, and ZAC, it is this, right? Last part, to calculate VA, what I did? VC plus VAC. So my final answer is 280.97.